In this video, you'll learn how to automate tasks using Perplexity Comet Browse. By following these steps, you will be able to streamline your search process and obtain organized information efficiently. To begin, navigate to the Perplexity website and locate the search page. This is where you will access the Comet Browse feature. Once on the search page, you will see various options and settings available for your search. Next, look for the section labeled Model. This is typically found in the settings area of the search page. Click on it to reveal a list of models that you can select from. Among these options, locate the toggle switch for Computer Comet Browse. You need to turn this option on to enable the Comet Browse functionality. After activating Comet Browse, it is time to give a task. Remember, the input should not be framed as a question. Instead, provide clear instructions similar to a system command. For example, you might input search for the best laptops under $1,000 in 2026. This clarity helps the system understand exactly what you want. Once you have provided your task, continue by specifying further instructions. For instance, you can instruct the system to open top 3 results. This tells the system to retrieve the most relevant information based on your initial search criteria. Following that, you can add additional details such as scrap, specs, price, and pros, cons. This step ensures that the system gathers all necessary information. Finally, conclude your task input with a request to summarize in a comparison table. This organizes the extracted data into a structured format, making it easier to analyze and compare the results. Once you have completed your task input, the system will process your request and return the results in the specified format. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.